Mm.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kanva. I am telling Achyuta Kesaram. Achyuta Kesaram Ramana Radayam Krishna Udaram Vasudevam Bhaje Sridharam Madharam Gopika Valladam Janaki Nayakam Ramachandram Bhaje.
Start.
This is trace activity. Auntie.
You have to give two children. This is trace. This one is a tracing activity. Give two children daily practice. You give this thing, na, that time they will write fast. They will writing also improve. They will write fast. You give this activity daily. And starting you give the little bit distance between the two curves. Then after that you give less space in curves. Then only they will they will recognize how will write and how should that thing is there. Okay, you give activity daily this thing. This activity is like this. Any type of tracing you give. Next we are moving letters and writing practice. You give like this activity daily. One line you write this alphabet and then below that they should write those alphabet. Same thing. You should leave gap in between letters also. You give gap. Same gap here, A to B, B to C, same gap. Then only they understood how much distance will leave between words. In future classes they gave sentence, they wrote sentences also, no? That time this thing will use. Okay, like this you give some one finger gap and you give. They should copy same thing here, below this one, below this. Okay, next we are moving matching. My kid already done this thing, matching. You give this matching. One side is a capital small alphabets, one side is the capital alphabets. Next, missing alphabets. You give some like this, some activities, 5 activities. You give missing alphabets like this. Odd one out. Here give the odd one out. Here all are same, small a. Here a is the odd one. You give like this. You give this one also, B and D. They confuse between B and D. So you give this type of activities. Now they recognize and do. What is the B which side curve comes, D which side curve comes. They recognize and do this thing. P also. Q, yes, I given these things. Come here. Matching. Here you give the one side, you give the capital alphabets, in between figures, and one side small alphabet. Match capital alphabet to figure and figure to small alphabet. Do it this one. What is that?
A.
A for apple. Next alphabet here. You go this side.
C.
C for K. K for K.
K.
C.
C for elephant.
C for elephant.
No. C for car.
C for car. Yes, that one is a good. You have to tell correct only. Next, C for small c. Where is the small c here?
Here.
Okay.
C.
You sit, Nana. Please sit.
C for
Sit
car.
properly.
C for car.
Come here. Come this side.
C for
Okay.
car.
Okay. What is this letter? C. Match C. Match. Okay. Next, what is this next letter?
this.
This one, what is this here?
E.
E. E for?
E for elephant.
Okay. E for, where is the small e? Find out this
Here.
one. Yes. They will find and do. And
And K here.
what is this?
C.
What is this?
Yes.
Yes, yeah.
Yes for sun. Sun.
Mm.
Here. Yes. Sun. K. K for elephant.
No. In this activity, K for, I forgot it here. So we have to draw K, kite or key, anything you have to draw here. Okay, sorry for that one. Next we have to moving. Identify different one. Color and circle. Anything you have to give to your children. Which one your children interested, circling or coloring? Which one you have to give? Here I given a small, capital A, small a. Identify different things. This is the correct one. Here T, S. Here what comes? Small t. Capital T, small t. Here this is a wrong. Okay. This is wrong. This is correct. Again here Q, T. Q, small q. Here small q. In place. Missed. Here T. This is identify the differences. Next they have to circle. Which is the correct one? That one.
This is
Here
the wrong.
shapes matching. You give like this of activity shapes. They should match those shapes. Okay, fine. Next, circle. Count the circle and correct number. Here how many
One.
circles are? You have to. Which number you have to choose here?
1.
Yeah. You
Here.
have to circle one. Count and circle. Here you have to give the figures and below numbers you give. Here how many?
3. Here 3.
Sit properly, banana. Next count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.
Okay, do. Very good. Next.
Here 1, 2.
Good. In this activity, they will recognize
1, 2, 3,
numbers.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8.
Very good, Nana.
In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, very good. Okay, this one is finished. Now we have moving one more activity. Here you give the count and write the number. Here some pictures you give and they will match those number. They will find those number and match those number here. That number. Okay. Give some pictures. Any pictures you have to draw here and give the numbers. Matching. This one is a matching.
No.
No, we will do afterwards. Okay. Here write the number. Missing numbers. Here write here missing numbers.
1,
You give
2.
this activity to your children. Your child. Write properly, Amma.
Okay.
3 wrong.
Okay.
That is the 3 wrong. Okay, you give activity to your children this type. Sit properly. Now we are moving. Write between numbers. Between numbers. They find between numbers. Here, giving first number and last number, they find middle
I want
number.
the toilet, please.
Here you give this activity. Okay, between numbers. And next, writing practices. Practice like this. You give your children like this. Tens, ones. Then only they knows ones and tens. Give write like this and give the boxes like this. Tens, ones, tens. Here, this is a ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 10. 10 means the 0 is a 1 place. tens place, 1 is a tens place. This is a 10. You have to give like this activity. They understood ones and tens. Now copy same pattern. Here copy same pattern. Same pattern you have to copy here.
Okay.
Here one box. What is there here?
Triangle.
First box. What is there?
Dot.
Sit properly.
Dot.
Don't sleep. Okay. Fine.
Dot.
Dot.
Here dot.
Dot. Next.
Triangle.
Okay. Triangle. In this activity, they know where is the dot come, where is the some
Here
pictures
circle.
come. They will recognize and do.
Circle.
Yeah.
Again.
Yeah. Do
Here
good.
circle.
Circle.
Here sleeping line.
Sleeping lines equal అది equal. Two sleeping lines వస్తాయి equal. Okay.
Oh.
Next. What that arrow goes? Which side that arrow goes?
This line.
Which side? Right side.
Right side going arrow.
Right side.
Oh, no.
Okay. This side, this arrow, which side that
Down.
going? Down. In this activity, they know right, left. Which one you
Here
want to do in
left.
that boxes? You
Left.
do dots,
Left
flowers.
box.
Their recognition also improves in this activity. Their concentration also improve this activity. You give this type of activities. They
Up.
know plus, negative, greater than, less than, equal, circle, rectangle, anything you give. Finished. Very good. Very good. Now we are moving this coloring part.
Here.
Coloring. You give any picture you give and
I want to coloring box.
you tell to them color this one. Don't tell and don't give your own colors.
Rocket.
Please. They have to take their own colors. They do anything. Then only they knows how to drawing, how to coloring. Then only they know. And colors also they will know which color is good for this, which color is good for this. So we have to give this activity. Encourage children to do proper coloring. You have to tell to children to don't come out this line. Don't come out of this line. Okay, inside of the line only they have to do.
Children, don't come crayons out. Rocket.
Sit properly. They will enjoy like these activities. Next, you give anything. Draw the picture. Anything he or she wants to like to draw. Yeah, finished. Very good. What is this?
This is the rocket.
Yes. You have to draw here any picture. Whatever you want to draw your picture.
I want to draw rocket.
You have to draw rocket.
Yes.
Okay, draw it.
First is the stand line. Again stand line.
Now he is want to draw rocket. Whatever want he or she draw, let them draw. Then only they knows how to draw the triangles, rectangles, flowers and everything. Yeah, very good. He drawn rocket. Say thank you.